up YouTube. In this video you're gonna learn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 bass patterns you probably haven't used before in your tracks. But I think after this video you're gonna use them all the time. The first bass pattern is the 8-note pattern. In this bass pattern you're gonna choose the root note and put one note on every beat. Then you're gonna choose another note from the scale and put it on the off beat. Let's see how this sounds. You can also change it so it climbs the scale. The second bass pattern is the octave jump. First you're gonna create a rhythm from the bass notes like this. Then you're gonna do an octave jump in the end of the bar. For example like this. The third bass pattern is a polyrhythmic bass pattern. I think this is the most interesting one because it can sound so hypnotic against the melody. A typical polyrhythmic bass pattern ends on the 5th beat or the 3rd beat. So let's build a bass pattern that ends on the 3rd beat. For example, something like this. You can see it ends on the 3rd beat and starts all over again. Let's try it against a melody so you can hear how hypnotic it can be. The fourth bass pattern is a double layered bass pattern, and in this bass pattern you're gonna choose 2 different bass sounds. Write a pattern with the first bass sound. For example, something like this. Then you double it. Then you go to the other bass instrument and write a different pattern that sounds good with the other bass instrument. I think that's incredibly groovy. The last bass pattern is a normal walking bass pattern. For example, if you have chords like this, in this bass pattern, when you have the ghost notes activated, you can follow the notes of the chords. Somehow like this. You can also change the progression to be more interesting by switching the places of the bass notes. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please leave a comment, what do you want to see next, subscribe, leave a like, and see you in the next video.